Let's go,
Lastly,
G!
4 de la Cruz.
Hindi promote kahit namatay.
Inaanak ko yan, inaanak ko yan!
Okay, ito na ako, no? Ito na ako, no?
Congratulations, you are promoted from recruit to officer 1.
Congratulations, inaanak ko yan! Sobrang galing mo talaga! Pinagmana sa tatay mo!
Congratulations, officer.
Okay.
Watch it. For now, we would like to hear voices from our visitors. Attorney Di Manalo.
Attorney Manalo na lang. Excuse me.
Okay. We now take their speech here.
Alright, good day everyone. I'm Attorney Manalo. Mention my first name because you know what it is. So it is my privilege to speak and thank you so much for giving me this opportunity on making these things and also to say some sort of tips and knowledge in part of our RA, which may call the Refrigerators Act, but just kidding, it's all part of a public act. So again, I'm Attorney D.Y. Manalo. So you can call me Attorney Manalo na lang for sure. So in terms of this, according to the Republic Act number 6975, so it means that the Republic of the Philippines and the Congress of the Next University RT an act establishing the Philippine National Police or the National Police under a recognized department of the Interior and local government as well. So again, thank you so much for having me and for other purposes. So according to the section 2 of this RA, the Refrigerators Act, the declaration of the policy is hereby declared to the policy of the state to promote peace and order. So siguro naman in part of this, nung nag-aaral pa lamang tayo sa kung ano man yung academic na nakuha natin, ano bang part ng isang school ba tayo nag-aaral, laging binibigay sa ating salitang peace and order. So as a police, tayo ay mga peacemakers. So in terms of this, ensure public safety and further strengthen local government capability aimed towards effective delivery of basic services sa lahat ng ating mga citizens. So again, kung pinasok mo ang pagpupulis, kalahati ng buhay mo ay nakasalalay sa kapahamakan. So I think alam naman na natin lahat ng ito. Hindi tayo pumasok ng pulis para maging, kumbaga, sabihin natin na may kapangyarihan ako gawin to. I have the power na gawin tong bagay na to sa isang tao na to. Or meron akong privilege na gawin ito sa isang tao. But it's not because we are in public servant. Again, we are in public servant. Marami akong cases na na-handle in terms of administrative cases na involved ang isang or mga police officers natin, policemen. Number 1, na isa dyan, bawal na bawal sa pagpupulis na ikaw ay meron kinakasama pero hindi kayo kasal. So kung meron kayong ginujowa dyan o inaasawa dyan, pakasalan nyo agad ha. At ako ang gawin ng ninong, pero kung sakali man akong kukunin ng ninong, dapat ako na bibigyan nyo ako ng 15,000. Okay? Anyway, as an attorney, I'm here. Nakasensya na kaya, may labok lang sa isipan. Okay, so anyway, ayun na nga. So sa pagpupulis, dapat tayo ang nakikitang example ng mga citizens natin. Lahat ng gagawin natin na pang-aabuso dahil meron tayong authority na gawin itong bagay na to ay against the law. Remember, tayo ang nagpapatupad ng batas. Hindi tayo nagbabiolate o nang-aabuso ng batas. So, in terms of this, the police force shall organize, train, and equip primarily for the performance of police functions. I think alam niyo naman yung functions nyo as police. Peace and order, public servant, and also to execute kung ano man yung accordance din sa mga batas. So, bilang isang police officer na na-promote, so I congratulate you all because you deserve this. So, in terms of, before ko i-cut lahat ng mga sasabihin ko, I just want to make sure lang na makikitawang sa salita na wag nating tawag dito gagampanan ng sinasabi ng karamihan na may pulis sa ilalim ng tulay. Ang ibig sabihin kasi niyan may pulis na tamad, na pulis na ikaw ay rumoronda o may responde, nagpapahinga ka lang o nakatambay lang sa kung saan. At saka isa pa dapat walang pulis na matulis. Si Attorney Manalo lang. And I thank you.
Doc Ed, check mo nga para may
Yes, ba,
sumasamid
SB?
kay attorney na bata eh.